Hey everyone, welcome back to the Monday Marketing Minute.
If you're social media curious and have been wondering which networks your business should be on, keep watching this week's video.
A few weeks back, we covered hashtags on a bunch of different social media platforms.
And when you think about the world of social media marketing, it can feel overwhelming. But the truth is, your business doesn't need to be on every single social media platform to be successful.
Exactly. And today we have 3 tips to help you determine which platforms to focus on.
First, you're going to want to be where your audience is. If you're marketing to an older generation, they're probably not going to be on TikTok, so you can skip that platform. But you should be considering Facebook when reaching out to the 35 plus crowd, since that's about 65% of Facebook's user base.
Or if you're B2B, you should definitely explore LinkedIn, for example. Do your research and follow your audience to the networks they're using, and your social media marketing strategy will definitely be more successful.
And tip number 2 is to manage your time.
Some platforms take much more energy than others. So if your business is a one-man show, you're running social media and everything else, stick to 1 or 2 platforms until you can scale up.
For example, platforms like Twitter tend to take more energy to get a return on your efforts.
And for our 3rd tip, think about the content you're creating.
While most social media platforms handle all types of content, YouTube, for example, is specifically meant for video. Instagram and Pinterest are incredibly visual platforms as well. If your business isn't very visual or you don't have that many creative assets, those platforms might not be right for you.
Definitely. Social media marketing gets easier when you work with what you have. So know your audience, use your time wisely, and choose a platform that is perfect for your business.
Absolutely. And check out our Knowledge Hub and read our blog for more details about each social media platform.
See you next time.